Hi, welcome back. This is the flagship for Carver, the C52 Coupe. This boat is also available with a hardtop flybridge option. I'm going to break this video into two parts. Crew quarters, storage, mudroom, lazarette storage, whatever you'd like to call it. Plenty of space down there. Nice workroom. Great for diving. Accesses here in this cockpit. Barbecue and wet bar off to the starboard side. Ice maker, salon. So what I wanted to show you was access to the master stateroom is through the salon. So this really has a large yacht feel. Plenty of room in the shower. Headroom's probably 6'8", 6'9". Queen size berth, easy access all around it. Key feature in this boat, as far as the master stateroom, would be this nice bench area to sit in. Again, Carver going back to the old way of doing things, windows that open. Thank you. Carver Specialist, Jerry Wheeler, Alexander Marine, 949-375-2323.